300 million jobs. That's the number Goldman Sachs says AI puts at risk. That's not science fiction. That's a report from 2023. So, before we panic, let's actually understand what's happening. Here's the honest truth. AI is a threat and a tool. Which one it becomes for you depends entirely on what you do next. You're already making that choice, whether you realize it or not. AI isn't approaching. It's already here. 40% of working hours could be automated. Coders are writing code 2.5 times faster. McKinsey says it'll add £14 trillion to the global economy by 2030. Jobs that are genuinely at risk? Data entry, customer service scripts, basic legal research, radiology even. If your role involves repeating the same patterns day after day, AI is already being trained on it. So, what is AI actually? It's pattern recognition. That's it. You show it millions of examples, and it learns to predict what should come next. It's not thinking. It's not conscious. It's extraordinarily fast at spotting patterns. There are two completely different types of AI. Narrow AI does one thing brilliantly: chess, image recognition, writing, music. General AI would do everything a human does. Here's the key fact. General AI doesn't exist yet. The right mental model is this. You plus AI equals 10 times the output. AI is a lever, a very powerful one. But you still have to decide where to point it. It multiplies your skills. It doesn't replace your judgment. The serious risks are real and deserve honesty. Misalignment, where AI optimizes for the wrong goal, autonomous weapons, and a tiny number of companies controlling technology that affects everyone. Over 1,000 AI researchers signed a letter about this. But here's the optimist case. AI is already accelerating drug discovery. It's modeling climate scenarios 1,000 times faster than humans. Personalized education for every child. Cutting carbon from power grids by 30%. These aren't fantasies. Step 1. Map your own role. Grab a piece of paper. Write down every task in your job. Now ask, which of these is repetitive? Which follows a clear pattern? Those are the parts AI can help with, or replace. Know your terrain first. Step 2 is free. Right now. ChatGPT and Claude handle writing, research, and code. Canva AI does design in seconds. Otter transcribes every meeting automatically. Perplexity gives you research with actual sources. You have no excuse not to start today. Step 3 is a 30-day challenge. Week 1, 10 minutes of AI daily. Anything goes. Week 2, find the one tool for your specific work. Week 3, automate one task completely. Week 4,